मी देवधर क्लासच्या लक्ष्मी रोड ब्रांचमध्ये ॲडमिशन घेतलंय 11th साठी आणि त्याचसोबत JEE आणि CET एक्झामसाठी. मी माझ्या नातेवाईकांच्या सांगण्यावरून इथे ॲडमिशन घेतली आणि माझे अनुभव खूपच छान आलेत. मला अनुभव म्हणजे जी ख्याती ऐकून आम्ही इथे जॉईन झालो ते सगळे गुण अगदी खरे ठरत आहेत आणि जे आपण बाहेर ऐकतो त्याच पद्धतीचं शिक्षण आणि तीच क्वालिटी इथे आपल्याला मिळते हे खात्रीने आपण सांगू शकतो. इथले शिक्षक सुद्धा खूप छान आहेत. ऑनलाईन शिक्षण जरी असलं तरी त्यात काहीच अडचण येत नाहीये. शिक्षकांशी आपण खूप सहज कॉन्टॅक्ट करू शकतो आणि इंडिव्हिज्युअल सगळ्यांकडे खूप छान लक्ष देण्यात येते इथे आणि आपल्या जे काही शंका असतील त्या लगेच तत्क्षणी सोडवल्या जातात. अगदी घाई होत नाही अजिबात. एकदम सावकाश सगळा सिलेबस चालू आहे व्यवस्थित. मी सांगू इच्छितो की इतर सुद्धा ज्यांना कोणाला जॉईन व्हायचं असेल लवकरात लवकर इथे ऍडमिशन्स घ्या.
Myself Chaitra Moghe, and I have joined the Devdar classes on the recommendations of my family members and also the relatives who had previously joined the Devdar classes. And the ongoing COVID pandemic has forced all of us into a long-term break, and of course, the uncertainty still prevails as to when everything would come to an end. And 11th and 12th standards being crucial years of academics, it was very important to get back to studies as early as possible, and also without risking the health, which is most important. And also certainly our worries and concerns about studies have taken a backseat since I joined Devdar classes. The class started 4 months earlier, I think, or 5 months, and the exceptional and genuine ways and all the teachers have worked so that no topic goes ununderstood is very commendable. And also the most important subjects like physics and chemistry, which are very hard for the students to get along with, have started looking easier in spite of the lectures being virtual. And also the eternal and obvious problems of audio video connectivity on both sides of the students as well as the teachers. They have worked very hard so that we understand every single topic very clearly. And with so many experienced, affectionate and dedicated teachers in Devdar classes, and their continuous effort to address every minor query of ours has seized the drawbacks of virtual coaching and offered the best quality education one can ever get in the classes. And I'm extremely happy and grateful to be a part of Devdar classes in these crucial years of academics. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, I am Dyuti Moghe, joined Devdar classes, Group PCM, Lakshmi Road. On the backdrop of the coronavirus pandemic, with all works and studies at a standstill, for a substantial period of about 4 months, it was extremely essential to get back to studies. Me and every other student like me concerned and worried about studies joined Devdar classes few months ago, and I'm extremely elated to share my first experience as a student. Science stream, with one of the toughest subjects to understand and get along with, have turned quite easy. But of course not surprisingly, because the way our teachers are working with dedication and even a will that every student is taken along is what we all are thankful and even honored for. Virtual lectures with all possible disturbances of connectivity even have not affected our studies. Subjects like physics and chemistry, which students usually find tough to deal with, have started looking easier, and of course with 100% credit to our teachers. The hard work that all our teachers and even the Devdar class staff that they have put upon so that our every step towards our achieved aimed goal gets easier each day is exemplary, and I'm extremely fortunate and evenly thankful to have joined Devdar classes. Thank you, sir.
Hello all, this is Sumit Joshi, and I've taken admission in DAE and plus Devdar classes for 11th standard science stream. I would like to say that joining Devdar classes has really been a wise decision for me. Even during this pandemic, the teachers are very punctual towards their job. They are taking efforts for us during these online lectures. Mainly the teaching is very good here, and we can contact the teachers very simply here for our doubt solving, and plus for any extra revision if you need. So and plus on the month end test has been really helpful for us, and we get to know here where are our problems, where are our studies needed, which concept we need to study more, so and so. So here this test has been very helpful for us each month end, and plus in DAE we get to know about the higher competitive exam problems, which are very looking easier for the regular lectures, because in DAE some difficult problems are given place, and for in regular lectures some low level problems. But due to joining DAE, I felt that solving regular classes problems has been very easy for us, and in physics and chemistry, maths, these are, I guess, the most difficult subjects, but still these now look easy for us, and it's all that I can say, that joining the other class, I would recommend all my relatives and my friends for 11th standard science stream. Thank you.
My name is Om Ranade. I am from Siagarh Road branch in Devdar classes. I came to know about this class from my friend. I then joined Devdar classes and DAE, that is Devdar Academy of Excellence for JEE Advanced Coaching. It is really an excellent class. Nowadays, due to COVID crisis, lectures are conducted online and that though live. Engaging and interactive teaching methods play an essential role of these classes. Teachers of these classes are quite experienced. There is a stress-free environment in this class. Teachers give us various real-life examples for us to understand various concepts, as well as they show us various conceptual videos. If any doubt arises during the lecture, it is cleared on the spot only. Our doubts, we can also send our doubts to our respective teachers via social media. Our progression in our studies is marked by taking month-end test every month, and which is very grateful for us to show our best abilities. Thank you.
Maranol, my name is Anvinikam. I am from Siagarh Road branch. I am PCMB student. So I got to know about this class from my mother's friend, and I like this class very much. As we all know that this is online days, so we are our lectures are going online. So we are studying online by various technologies. So the workload is enough. So we could cover everything in enough time, and our time load is also enough. So I really like this class because all lectures, assignments and tests are straightforward. It's a really pretty good class, and our 11th standard has been started from 11th June 2020, and our NEET lecture started from September, as we all know. All lectures of JEE and NEET are taught on the Zoom app, which is a very good app, and our doubts are also cleared very fast in class itself, or our admins delivers our doubts to the respected teachers, and they deliver the respected answers to us. So till now experience is very good. I like this class, and thank you for teaching us. Thank you, sir.
So hello all, myself Aroha Moe, and I am from PCMC branch, and I have joined Devdar classes for 11th plus NEET, and I got to know Devdar classes from my relatives because they have also joined Devdar class in 11th and 12th, and he has also given NEET, so I got to know from there. And मुझे यहाँ के जो टीचर्स सिखाते हैं वो सारी चीज़ें एकदम टाइम पे समझ में आ जाती हैं, एंड इनफैक्ट टीचर्स के जो एफर्ट्स जो टीचर्स दे रहे हैं हमको सिखाने में वो रियली सुपर है, रियली अनबिलीवेबल है. वो हमको सारे पीडीएफ्स भी लेसन के सेंड कर देते हैं, जिससे हमें पढ़ने में काफ़ी मदद होती है. एंड उसके साथ हमारा हर मंथ एक मंथ एंड टेस्ट होता है, जिससे हमें पता चल जाता है कि हम किस टॉपिक में या किस सब टॉपिक में लैक हो रहे हैं, मतलब थोड़ा पीछे हैं अपन उसमें, तो अपने को उसमें इम्प्रूव करने की ज़रूरत है, वो भी हमें वहाँ से पता चल जाता है। तो सारे ही टीचर्स काफ़ी फ्रेंडली हैं। इनफैक्ट जब हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अभी चल रही हैं कोरोना के पेंडेमिक की वजह से, तो उसमें भी वो लोग काफ़ी एफर्ट लेते हैं। इनफैक्ट अपन कोई भी डाउट उनको जब पोस्ट करते हैं, मीटिंग जब चल रही होती है तभी, तो ऑन टाइम वो क्लियर हो जाते हैं, जो कि मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी बात लगी। एंड फ्रेंडली एटमॉस्फेयर रहता है हमारे आसपास, सो हम विदाउट हेजिटेशन कोई भी डाउट्स किसी भी समय पूछ सकते हैं सर को। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Myself Siddhi Soni, and I have taken admission in Devdar classes, Hadaksar branch for science, with PCMB as my subjects, and JE and CET for my entrances. I got to know about the other classes from my friends and relatives, and the experience here is very good. I have attended classes, more 2-3 classes, but for me, after the experience, I find the other classes best. The teachers here are very helpful. They are trying their best to overcome all the challenges in the online classes. All the doubts are cleared at the instant when we ask, or I have found that teachers are helping us through other media, that is social media, from other sources. They are trying their best, and yes, it's good experience. Everything, the syllabus is not in hurry. We are understanding everything. So I have recommended my friends too, and they are also here in these classes, and they also find it better. They also find it the best class. So I would also recommend others, those who are watching, that it's good. You can join the classes as soon as possible. I joined the other classes late, that is they had started from June, and I joined it in August. So they had covered some chapters, and after that also there were many admissions. They tried their best in taking the revision lectures, so that in that they took MCQs and revision together, so it will be helpful for others also and for me also. And I got recorded lectures too, so that it will help me to understand the previous chapters that I have missed.
हॅलो, मी लक्ष्मण ताताचार्य, लेकरोड ब्रँचचा स्टुडंट आहे. माझी दीदी देवधर क्लासेस मध्ये होती. तिने मला सांगितलं या कोविड पॅनिकमुळे देवधर क्लासेस ऑनलाईन लेक्चर्स मला खूप हेल्पफुल वाटले आहेत. ऑल्सो लेक्चर्स ऑनलाईन मुळे आम्हाला ट्रॅव्हलचे पण घ्यायला नाही लागत. सो सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग पण मेंटेन होतं. प्लस ट्रॅव्हल आणि एनर्जी पण वाचतो. आणि सगळ्यात आहे की हे लेक्चर रेकॉर्डेड नसून लाईव्ह असतात, त्यामुळे आम्हाला टीचर्स सोबत इंटरॅक्ट करता येतात. एमसीक्यू सगळ्यांसोबत सॉल्व्ह करतात आणि डाऊट्स तिथे लगेच सॉल्व्ह करून देतात. ऑनलाईन क्लासेसमुळे सगळ्या टीचर्सना बहुत त्रास आहे, पण देवधर क्लासेसच्या टीचर्सनी खूप सुंदर प्रकारे त्या प्रॉब्लेम्सना सॉल्व्ह आहे. सगळे टीचर्स एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप्स घेतात की आम्हाला ऑनलाईन क्लासेस मधून एफिशियंटली कळावा आणि फुल हार्टेड आणि डेडिकेशननी शिकवतात ते. फॉर इन्स्टन्स जोगे मॅम, द्विवेदी सर, ठाकूर सर हळू शिकवतात की सर मुलांना टॉपिक एफिशियंट कळावा, आणि जर आलं नाही तर परत गुरुवार रिपीट करून सांगतात ते, आणि त्यावेळेसच बाकी स्टुडंट्स रिव्हिजन होऊन जाते. देवधर सरांची टीचिंग मेथड्सनी आणि कॉन्स्टंटली चॅटवर ठेवल्यामुळे मला घरी असून पण सगळ्या स्टुडंट्सना भरलेल्या एका लाईव्ह क्लासरूम मध्ये असलेली लिव्हिंग देते. युनिक टिप्स अँड ट्रिकमुळे आणि नवीन मेथडमुळे स्टुडंट्सना सगळ्या स्टेप्स डायरेक्टली रीच होतात. सो परत एकदा अभ्यास केलं तरीही लक्षात राहतं. यावे असल्यास हिरोळकर सर आणि रिसुगट सरांमुळे त्यांच्या लेक्चर्सना लिहा नाही लागत, म्हणून नीट कॉन्सन्ट्रेशननी लेक्चर अटेंड करता येतात. निस्बत सरांच्या हाताखाली सगळे कन्सेप्ट खूप इझी होऊन जातात. ऑल्सो नरेश सर सिनियर आणि ज्युनियर सरांच्या स्क्रीन चॅट आणि व्हॉइस शेअरिंगचा कॉम्बिनेशनमुळे क्लासेस फील व्हेरी एक्टिंग. एस्पेशली सोयरांचे नेमॉनिक अँड टीचिंग लर्निंग लाईटचे एजंट आहेत की कन्सेप्ट आम्हाला पूर्णपणे रिअलाइज करता येतात. सैनी सर आणि राड मॅम खूप सिम्पल पद्धतीने MCQ सॉल्व्ह करायला शॉर्टकट शिकवतात. तो ब्लॉक इझिली आणि लवकर समजतात. मालिनी म्हणते देवदर क्लासेस हे सातत्य, परिश्रम आणि यांचा अपूर्व सम आहे. आणि आताच्या या कोविड सिच्युएशन मध्ये आय एम शुअर दॅट टीचर्स आर बीइंग रियल एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ द सेम. थँक्स टू देवदर क्लासेस आम्हाला लॉकडाऊन मध्ये पण एफिशियंटली अँड विथ डेडिकेशन अभ्यास करता आणि एंट्रन्स जारी करता येत आहे. धन्यवाद.